Oh, I can move.
Oh, is that the weeping angel?
It's lizard.
Uh,
It's a
it's a
lizard.
statue.
No, no, like Doctor Who, weeping
Oh, I know
angel.
what you're talking about, but like, all right. So you want to look around for the one that says Squirrel Stapler?
I can't even fucking.
No, no, it's not that one. Not that one.
Can you open the
On top of
doors?
the TV. I
Oh,
think it's on
it's
top of the
yeah.
TV.
I found it.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, there it is. Now you need a key. There's a key in the room. You just have to get it.
Oh, you have to unlock the game.
Hunt
Okay.
squirrel stapled into a corpse.
Yeah, yeah.
Meet
So you have to do
God.
puzzles.
Sounds
There's,
like a cult.
it will feel. Oh, it's on top of the TV. Yeah, there you go.
All right. Today's goal was squirrel stapler.
This game is enemies.
Press
Really
inventory. I. Tab. Okay.
What the fuck is this?
It's
Alright,
the
we're
Dreadx
starting.
Collection 2. This is Dreadx Collection 2. He's playing Squirrel Stapler first.
Oh
Squirrel
yes,
Stapler
guys.
is most
Welcome.
important.
Hello. What's up? Hello, YouTube channel. Oh God, it's a whole different game, so I have to change my. Okay, there.
No, no, no. Yeah, it's. Oh yeah.
Hey, what's up? Hello, guys. Welcome to Squirrel Stapler. All right, let's go.
Oh, I kill myself.
Oh man.
Back when I wanted to do YouTube, back in like high school, that was actually gonna be my intro. Hey, what's up?
That's
Hello.
pretty epic.
Hey, what's
Is this my shit bucket?
Yes.
Oh,
But our
Can't
love
be
has not
recommended
blossomed.
at all.
The flies have made her ugly and. Oh, is this my girlfriend?
That's your wife.
Oh, my wife. I wish she were beautiful, like the squirrels of the woods. Bro, I should staple some to her.
Keep reading.
And so I will cover her in the squirrels of the wood.
yeah.
Donde está la
No.
shotgun?
Yeah, those are notes.
Saith the goat of the wood, thou shalt not staple squirrels. Well, I guess I shall not staple squirrels. Sorry, guys, end of the game.
Why is
Why staple? Why can't I tape? Or hot glue?
glue?
I don't know. It doesn't have the same ring to it, you know.
In 5 days, God is coming. The one that told me
And
not
God
to staple
wants-
squirrels?
Does God hate squirrels or something?
Okay, it is time to hunt the squirrels. Use the map tab to orient yourself. Come back tomorrow for another tip. Thank you, game.
Who's leaving these?
Nutty Nate Squirrel running is
Point.
loud and can scare squirrels. Walk. Stay low. Control. Hide in the foliage. Creep quietly. Use your ears. You can hear them. I can sound horror. Your rifle is equipped with a scope. This is the scope?
Yes. On
Immaculate.
top left, you have a sound and a height, like a sight meter. So if you're. See, that was a squirrel.
Wait, what is that? Poison grass. do
That's
not-
cool.
A squirrel!
That's a big one.
Oh, you think that one's big? Just wait.
Oh, okay.
No, don't spoil it for me. I want to catch me the big one. I'm catching me Squirrelzilla? I don't know.
Big mamba.
Are they in the trees? I assume squirrels are in the trees, but I don't know if this.
I don't think they will. Yeah.
Honestly, you don't have to crouch everywhere. Just walking is fine. Crouching is just like if you get close to them.
Obelisk.
Yo, I got a big house.
And you got.
I'm doing all right. Is it that one?
No.
I think that's just a branch.
If you aim and point at a squirrel, it'll say squirrel on your crosshair.
Oh. Look at this guy spoiling the game for me, guys. Can I get 5 likes to ban him?
Shut up. It's just the hit reg in this game. The hit registration is kind of weird, so I always just look to see if it helps.
Bullets!
Is that ammo?
Bullet. Look at your map.
I have a map.
Yeah.
that's
have.
a very big tab. Alright, so if you want the full experience of the game, you need to go to both of those question marks every single day.
But where's he at? Wait, are you the
I'm the
green,
green
dot?
Yeah.
Okay.
and you have a compass in the top left.
This map is huge.
Yeah. If you want the full experience, you need to go to those question marks.
Oh, okay, yeah, I guess you have
Changes
to use your
every day.
bullets.
I don't know if that squeaking is a squirrel or not.
It is.
I see it!
Shoot it. Oh, you scared it away.
Not that
Ooh.
one.
Scared it away.
Okay, now you can crouch it. Now you can crouch.
Bro, they can hear me from pretty far away.
It's you sprinted.
Oh. I'm Bigfoot. I got hella loud feet. Is that
Is
a
it behind the
monster?
rock next? Is that the, are you next to it? I think you're next to it. I think it's behind the rock.
I cannot jump. Was that a gator?
Shoot it. Yeah.
Yeah!
So you need to pick up the corpse. Also press left click again. You have to. It's a bolt action rifle.
Oh, is that what loading?
Oh! That reload animation's sick. Gimme. Why is he poisoned? Alright. Question mark. Ahoy! Radio tower.
I guess.
Stop it, Caleb.
It's Caleb. It's Caleb.
Oh my fucking shit. I was like, oh god!
You're being hunted. This game is horrible to stream.
Is it,
It's
look
not just-
horrible?
It's just
Yeah.
more pixels on pixels.
Yeah, the game is so pixely already that streaming
Oh.
just makes it so pixely.
That's fine though. We can still tell what's happening.
Oh yeah.
I heard something.
Caleb, hey, you're gonna get him copyrighted. Stop it.
There's bears in these woods.
Wait, is that seriously copyrighted?
I don't know.
Probably not.
Probably not.
I don't
There's no
think
way
you
it's
can
gonna do
copyright
that.
2 notes on a in succession, something like that. These squirrels are elusive, dude.
A YouTuber watch named Jameski, he got copyrighted for the bra sound effect.
What?
What?
I'm not even joking.
Yeah, that was so stupid.
Health? Oh fuck
Oh.
me!
What? The school on the hill.
Health? There's a health pickup.
The squirrels
Yeah.
fight back.
I'm so fucked. I'm gonna staple one squirrel to my dead wife, and then I'm gonna get absolutely fucking murked, aren't I?
By whatever.
Yeah, by
Yeah.
goat god
Alright.
of the woods.
So this is one of the question marks. You have to go inside that hut.
That's a
Oh.
hut.
The Minecraft brick house.
Someone's gonna be waiting for you there with like shotgun.
Transform.
Oh.
Right outside the
One day, there was a lovely artist who lived by himself in the woods. Desiring to ease his loneliness, he saved his meager earnings and purchased a fine paintbrush crafted from the hair of a beautiful woman. The artist loved the brush so much that he used it to paint the woman who had given her hair for his creation. As he imagined she must look, he then informed that due to terrible mix-up, the hair was actually come from a wild boar.
What?
Come back tomorrow for part 2. That's
Okay. Yo, I gotta go all the way out. Holy shit! All right, let's go.
It's actually not that far if you actually just sprint.
But the
Is there a
squirrels,
limit to how many squirrels he has to get?
I need 5.
Yeah, bottom right. 3 out of 5. Yes, 3 out of
Okay.
5. Yeah.
Also, why the fuck are all these branches cut off?
Nature.
Nature.
Oh hell no! There's some big squirrel that's knocking all these branches off, but he's not quite tall enough to knock those off. Oh fuck no, I'm screwed. Oh fuck! There's a second health pickup.
Just keep going. Oh.
What?
You missed!
Damn,
I
you
told you,
suck.
you gotta wait till it says
Kinda
squirrel.
trash.
When your crosshair says squirrel next to it, then you can shoot. Like,
I guess
The
it was
only
the
way to
ranger.
it's like the only way to get the hit registration to work perfectly.
Okay.
'Cause you gotta remember, this game was made probably less than a day.
You said 10 days.
Well, yeah.
Oh,
but
fuck.
No. Squirrel Stapler wasn't made like
There's one ammo.
the entire game. Dreadix Collection was made in 10 days,
Okay.
which consists of 12 games.
Oh, I found it. And it's next to a health
A note.
pickup.
That's a note.
You're gonna get ambushed.
No, but that's a health pickup right next to it.
I know you're gonna get ambushed.
Oh,
That's
this
not-
is just
Are
a
you
random
sure?
note. It's not the fucking
Yeah.
marker.
Yeah, there's random notes everywhere, and they change every day.
Ah.
Some of them are really cool.
Squirrels have 4 sharp toes on their front feet for climbing, and 5 toes on their back feet.
And did
Huh.
It's not my fault. And
You're gonna have to
We
find
learned
out.
something new.
and did
No, no!
I'm getting copyrighted.
So dramatic. Now I have to like video.
Now I'm gonna have to put in my own sound effect over that sound effect. The same sound effect.
I'm just gonna cut it off.
You're not editing this. Hello?
Oh yeah, you are. Cut it off.
It says squirrel. Yeah! Now you're out of bullets.
I need ammo. Try shooting. Ow.
That's one dumbass.
I mean, I can just run because I don't even have bullets to shoot the squirrels with. Oh, fuck it. There's something in this house. I don't have bullets for it.
As I was thinking.
Nothing of note to report. Some marginal abnormalities and readings that went away once I recount some odd noises during the night. Probably squirrels.
Who's reporting this? That's right, I have a gun. Just a warning.
Still warning reload.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a
Is that
fucking
in-
squirrel!
It's like in movies when they pop the shotgun 11 times.
Click, click, click.
What is that? Oh,
Hmm.
another note.
Mysterious stone.
And bullets. Squirrels eat their body weight in food every week.
Hey, ammo.
Oh, they don't go away.
I'm dying!
Oh my god. What the fuck?
It's that.
Hurts.
It hurts, yeah, but what is it?
I don't know.
Shoot it! Shoot the stones!
Summoning circle. Summoning circle.
I don't want to anger Stone God.
Quick, throw a grenade.
Tossing frag!
There you go.
Nice.
Now you're done for the day.
Oh, bottom right, I just got it.
Oh, Caleb, important context. In 5 days, God will come.
Oh, fuck no, what was that?
Check it out. Don't run though.
I don't even know what you saw.
I saw a shadow. It disappeared behind this rock.
Might have been purple guy.
No, the man behind the slaughter.
Oh, sorry, wrong game, wrong game.
Did you hear something? Because I think I heard something.
I didn't hear nothing, but that fucking thing disappeared behind the rock. It's more obelisk.
Oh man, I can't wait. Oh, Benny.
What's up?
I'm
Thanks
recording
for
a video
saying
right
that.
now.
You're
What's
recording
up?
a video right now?
I am recording a video right now.
You told me to fuck off?
I didn't say that for sure.
If you're not funny, we'll kick you.
Quick, don't say anything racist.
Are you going the right way?
Yeah, I am.
What are you playing?
Squirrel Stapler.
Oh.
I said that at the beginning of the video if you were listening.
You're a funny guy.
Bullets! Can I kill extra squirrels?
Are they even more
I don't know. I don't know if they spawn, but
Yeah, we have probably. No
I mean, yeah,
noises.
running this whole time I didn't. Why the fuck is it making me run all the way to the opposite fucking corner of the map? God damn it. There's
It's
gonna.
it's optional. But it's worth it. Trust me.
God, I'm gonna get
the
fucking
great
chased.
graphics of the game.
Okay. So two things. There's a wild boar hair paintbrush. And there
Someone
is.
mammal?
Oh,
Noises at
I've
night.
seen this game.
And there's some dude in a back corner.
What does the sign say?
Yeah, what's
The
that?
sign, the sign just says, poison grass, do not eat, and there's a dead squirrel right here.
Oh!
This game.
Yeah, Benny, you know,
Don't spoil things.
I think it's great. Like without any prior knowledge, it's a great game.
Oh no, for sure. It's
There
amazing.
can be prior knowledge.
We're not.
For real?
I already read this, yeah. Thou shalt not staple squirrels, saith. I'm sorry, saith. But my wife is ugly. I need to do this.
L.
For real. You wanna see my ugly ass wife? Look at this bitch.
Oh my god.
Like
Press action to staple the squirrels to your beloved.
Beautiful.
Is that all 5?
keep
Did
doing
you
it.
just make an amalgamation of
Keep doing
scrolls?
Oh
Oh,
my god.
beautiful.
Perfect. Zzz.
Zzz.
Zzz. Oh god, oh no! It saith!
Oh god, fuck. He is coming.
What if they were just all gone? All the squirrels were gone.
You are sleeping.
We kind of freaked out. I'm not gonna lie.
Well,
You were
Saith is
warned.
not happy. He took away his note he left for me.
The notes will change every day.
God is coming in 5 days. Yo, 5 more days?
Yo. thank
Yo.
you for waiting. Oh,
Today I must hunt the big squirrel. Oh, fucking shit, damn. Yo! Dead squirrels!
they have to
Tip of the
cut
day, use tab to use call to track and lure all large herbivores. How am I so certain that this large one is an herbivore?
Well,
Oh wait, this note doesn't change.
The one that told you how to click the map button should have extra info.
This one right here? Running is loud, stay low, use your ears. This one, yeah, this one told me to use
Okay.
my call.
Oh yeah.
I think with that.
Who did he put the sign? I'm just thinking about it now. Like, who did he put the sign out for? Who's gonna eat that grass?
His wife.
Me. The wife. That's why she's ugly. I heard something.
Use your phone.
Nothing responded.
No. Is it because my wife is ugly? I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, God. Oh, top of the hill.
No, that's ammo.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's bullets.
Ooh.
bullets.
I'm using what seems to be a high-powered rifle on squirrels.
Yeah,
They're
but
big.
these are big schools.
Oh yeah, I gotta wait for the big squirrel. Dude, how big is this?
Just hit F.
It's big enough.
No, it's not near me right now. It didn't respond.
Be very quiet.
There's 2.
We are hunting.
Fuck was that? I heard it.
You
Yeah.
scared
there's
something
one.
away. I don't know where it was
Yeah.
though.
The fact that I can't move while aiming.
Wait, really?
No, I can't. See, when I'm in this mode, this is aiming mode. I can't move.
Damn.
I hear something.
Probably just over the cliff.
It's your imagination, Lilo.
I feel like you should just run so you can like see where they are.
Oh, who's here?
Aaron.
Aaron.
Yeah. Richard.
I'm Richard.
I don't know
Are
if
you-
this is me walking or if it's something else walking.
Don't be
It's
racist.
the big school. He's
Right.
just following behind very carefully.
I hear it. It's this way.
So what are you guys up to?
I'm
Squirrel
recording a
Stapler.
video.
They're putting
Oh.
Yeah, you got one.
headshot.
One in the chamber.
Fuck.
Did you shoot again?
No one really plays cats anymore. I'll ban this one.
Please don't talk
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah, and
I'm recording a video.
too much.
Kick him.
I'll just mute.
Okay.
Oscar, another one!
Double kill.
Because I'm not using R to reload, I don't remember if I reload or not, and that's sometimes why I'm shooting off random shots. No response. Fuck, am I gonna need extra bullets for the big one?
There's one to the right. Ready?
It's like in the clicker games, where you just hover your mouse over everything until your clicker changes.
Oh yeah, like the point and click games.
Yo, give me this vantage point though.
Banned for flying.
Banned for
I really wanted to see like the big skull on the other
Yeah,
mountain.
what if it didn't respond like a squirrel? What if it just like T-Rex roared at me?
Wait, so how many squirrels do you need?
I need
bottom
5
right.
and then the big one. You can look at the bottom right corner.
Ah.
The artist was inconsolable and spent his days weeping and taking his portrait on long walks in the rain. On one of these walks, he had encountered an old woman who said, young man, I can see the reason for your despair. Come with me. For a few pennies, she said, his treasured painting could be brought to life. The artist was overjoyed, and the spell was cast. Only then did he remember that he had only painted the woman from the waist up.
Ooh.
Oh no.
Bro, he got himself an Ona hole.
No.
Oh.
God.
No. I wish those words didn't leave your mouth.
They didn't, not in the video at least. No lady knew what she was doing.
What was that?
Some eldritch shit.
Yeah, y'all saw that too, right?
Yeah, you
what
shot
was
it. You shot it.
Yeah, I killed that hoe. What the fuck?
It was coming straight for
Oh
you.
fuck, there it is!